key to success is to be consistent and to create high engaging content in English language. So you definitely want to promote products also on these networks. But when I say to promote, I don't mean to buy ads, rather than post articles, videos, pictures of your product in a way that is engaging for your audience. The good way to do that is to provide them with value in this ratio, 80% value and just 20% sales. That way your audience is getting a lot of value and they start following you, and then the 20% sales are so you can make money from what you are doing. Now, a good way to do this is when you are providing value is to put a person in a buying state of mind. In the resource section, you will find one article which I highly recommend you to read, Putting Your Customers in a Buying Mood. So please pause this video and then read this article. Okay, make sure that you are consistent in creating high engaging content. Now let's look other free traffic sources. YouTube, 34 billion monthly visits. So YouTube's mission is to give everyone a voice and show them the world. After that we have Facebook, with 26 billion monthly visits. And then we have Twitter with 6 billion monthly visits. And then we have Instagram, 5.5 billion monthly visits. And then we have Reddit. I'm not sure if you already are using Reddit, but Reddit 1.5 billion monthly visits. It's a social news aggregation, web content and discussion website. Registered members submit content to the site such like links and text posts and images, which are then voted up or down by other members. Then we have Pinterest, more than 1 billion monthly visits. Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovering of information on the internet using images and in a small scale GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. Then we have Quora, with monthly visits over 500 million monthly visits. Quora is the biggest site people go to and to find answers. So if you have some problems, then you go to Quora. And then we have TikTok with 500 million monthly visits. And we have Craigslist with more than 400 million monthly visits. Craigslist is a classified advertisement website with sections devoted to jobs, housing, for sale, items wanted, services, community service, gigs, resumes, and discussion forums. Then we have a Tumblr with more than 300 million monthly visits. It's a microblogging and social networking website. This service allows users to post multimedia and other content to a short-form blog. Users can follow other users' blogs. Bloggers can also make their blogs private. And Medium.com, it's about 200 million monthly visits. It's online publishing platform. DeviantArt with more than 100 million monthly visits. It's the world's largest online social community for artists and art enthusiasts, allowing people to connect through the creation and sharing of arts.